Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will cover different amplifier models and their relationship. So we are very familiar with some amplifier model. So the very first one is our voltage amplifier. Okay, and in more general we can say, suppose in voltage amplifier the gain, say it is denoted by AV, is nothing but simply output voltage by the input voltage, say VI. Okay, the other one is our current amplifier. Here I am writing current amplifier. So in current amplifier the gain should be the current gain, output current by input current. These two are the very well known, but the other two which we are going to discuss is our transconductance amplifier. This one is also very famous, transconductance amplifier. So actually in the transconductance amplifier we have very well known about some transconductance term. For example, it is our GM. Okay, GM is the transconductance and having unit millisiemens, or we can say in a small signal model I have already discussed, GM value is nothing but simply, suppose this IC equals to GMVB. Okay, the small AC current, AC collector current proportional to the input voltage, that is our VBE. Okay, input voltage. So this GM we can, or in more general I will draw the equivalent circuit for each and every amplifier model. So this we can write as the term GM, or somehow it is maybe written as capital GM. The output is simply the collector current, or simply the current, so it should be I naught by V in. So in that case, again I want to remind this. Okay, this one is our voltage amplifier AV, V naught by VI. This one is the current amplifier, and this one is our transconductance amplifier, in which we have to take the output as a current and voltage as a input. Okay, so now next, the last one is our trans resistance amplifier. So in trans resistance amplifier the gain is the RM term. Okay, and this will be your output voltage by input current. Okay, this one is RM. Okay, so in analog circuit or in current mode circuit there are some OTRA based circuitry is there. OTRA, I am not going in more detail, but for the time being, this value, this V naught, and say this V naught equals to RM IP minus IN. So this one is IP and IN plus of minus. This one is a OTRA, operational trans resistance amplifier. Okay, and the transconductance amplifier is ours, say OTA, that is our LM 3080 or LM 13700. So here the output is I naught. Okay, so I naught is nothing but simply GM VP minus VN. This say VP and VN say plus or minus. Okay, so this one, the again I highlight the thing. This one is our OTRA, okay, and this another one is our OTA, is our transconductance amplifier. So now I am not discussing the OTA and OTRA. Now I will draw the equivalent circuit of voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transconductance and transresistance amplifier, and we have to find the relationship between these amplifier. So first we will start with the very simple one, that is our voltage amplifier. So now for example, suppose for voltage amplifier, for voltage amplifier, the circuit model, I am drawing the circuit model, okay. So the input should be our, say, Vi, so this should be plus or minus, and this should be the input resistance, and for the equivalent circuit, this should be the some voltage source, and this is a very simple equivalent circuit. So V naught, and this should be output resistance, and this should be, say, a V naught Vi, okay. So basically what we are doing, this part is our amplifier section, okay. So from this one is our amplifier, okay. So this one is our voltage amplifier, okay. So what we can write, this voltage amplifier, this from this voltage amplifier we can write this AV naught Vi equals to V naught when it is open circuited, or in general we can write the voltage gain AV naught is nearly equals to V naught by Vi when we are saying this, say this current is I naught and say this current is II. So if we put this current I naught equals to 0, I naught equals to 0, okay, that means this one will be open circuited. So this gain is nothing but simply we can say open circuited voltage gain. That's why I am writing it AV naught. So this AV naught, okay, this AV naught Vi, the voltage source, is same as that of V naught when this one is open circuited, okay. So this current will be 0, I naught will be 0, so this voltage V naught will be appear same as that of AV naught Vi. So it will give the voltage gain AV naught equals to V naught Vi, and in this case the input resistance Ri will be infinity for the voltage amplifier, okay, and the output resistance will be 0. So this one is the case, okay. So this one will be the Ri should be 0, okay. So this one is also we have to know, very important. So this is the all about the voltage amplifier, okay. So now next, now this is the simple voltage amplifier circuit, okay. Now we have to think about the current amplifier. So what we have to write, first write the current amplifier. Current amplifier, okay. So in this current amplifier, input is some amplifier is there, say current amplifier. So the output will be I naught and input will be I. Okay, so what we have to do? Again make the circuit. But here the input will be the current, okay, and output will be also the current. Okay, so II and this say RI, and this one is the Norton representation, so this should be R naught, and say this says for example plus minus V naught and input voltage if some input Vi. So but the main current in amplifier we have to just take this one as a, okay, I am just otherwise there will be confusion. Say you just say this source is a II source. Okay, so now this should be our AIS, okay, and AIS into II be the current source. Okay, so what exactly this one? This one is the current amplifier equivalent circuit. Okay, so now we can say the current, the overall current A I S II equals to, this one is nothing but simply when it is short circuited, okay, so this should be I and this should be say I naught. So when it should be short circuited, it is I naught, so that's why I am writing S. So this should be the short circuited current gain. Okay, once again I will repeat AIS, AI current gain with short circuited. When it is short circuited, it is short circuited. Okay, so this current will go through this part. Okay, so in that thing, this current will be flow like that. So this one AIS is nothing but simply AIS into II equals to I naught. So in this case we can observe that R naught value will be infinity and Ri value will be 0. Okay, so we can say this AIS is nothing but simply by I naught by II by keeping V naught 0. V naught 0 means short circuited. For open circuited, V naught will be same, I naught will be 0. So this one is the current amplifier gain and this one is the input resistance and output resistance values at the ideal condition. These are the ideal one. Okay, so now if for example suppose you have to make a relationship between the, suppose someone asks to make a relationship between, you have to make a relationship between AV naught and we have to write as a function of AVI. Okay, AV naught and AVI, what should be the relationship? Okay, so this one is suppose the question. Okay, so what we have to write? This we can write this AV naught I, this AV naught VI is nothing but simply we can write AIS II into R naught, because you have to make this as a voltage V naught. Okay, this one is nothing but simply V naught, so this can be also written as AIS simply II into R naught, or you can simply write AV naught VI equals to AI II into R naught. Okay, now this Vi can be written as Vi is nothing but simply Vi plus minus Vi is Ii into Ri. Ri into Ii. So this should be Ai, Ii, R naught. So this Ii cancel. So we can write Av naught equals to Ai, okay, then R naught by Ri. So this one is the basic relationship between the voltage gain and current gain. Okay, so this one is clear. Okay, so this one is the question and the corresponding answer will be Av naught equals to Ai R naught Ri. So this one is a very simple one, the voltage amplifier, the current amplifier. Okay, so now we have to go next for the more different one, which is we are not using most of the time. We are just most of the time we are busy with voltage amplifier and current amplifier. So we have to next go for the third one, that is our transconductance amplifier. Okay. So for this one, first I have to write the name transconductance amplifier. Okay. So in this transconductance amplifier, if the term transconductance amplifier comes in our mind, somehow comes the drain current mu1, like ID drain current COX W by L VGS minus VT whole square in saturation case, okay, by 2. Okay, drain current. Why I am writing, I will tell you. And if we find del ID by del V VDS, okay, so this one is a saturation case. Okay, now if the linear one we can write as a VGS minus VT, then we have to remove 2 into VDS minus VDS square by 2. So if we find with this del ID by VDS, nothing but simply our transconductance. So we have to remember this type of equation for the transconductance. Gm del ID by VDS means output should be current and the input should be voltage. The other examples for the timing, for the BGT case, Gm IC by VT, okay, or we can write this IC, the AC current, Gm VBE. So this Gm, the transconductance, is again the collector current by the. So these are the some formula, but for the time being, if we are telling the transconductance amplifier, so in the transconductance amplifier, the input will be our current, voltage, and the output will be current, so I naught. So in general we can write for the time being Gm, or we can write Gm I naught by say Vi. Sorry, here we have to write Vi. Okay, so this thing we have to keep in mind. Okay, so now I am making the equivalent circuit for the this one. Okay, so what we have to do? First, nothing, we have to make the Ri, okay, and then this one is the transconductance amplifier, so GMVBE, okay, so it should be the current, so we can write it GM, then we have to write the VI, so we have to write VI, or here we will also write the VI, and this one is the current, so make it as a Norton type of diagram. So it should be plus or minus V naught, and say this This one is R naught, and I naught, say this current will be II. So this one is more or less a transconductance amplifier. Okay, so in this one we can say this voltage V naught output voltage is somehow this one GMVI. So GMVI into, if we this voltage and this resistance, for example GMVI and R naught is nothing but simply our V naught. Okay, GMVI, okay, R naught equals to V naught. Okay, and if we have to take the short circuit one, this short circuit one, when this V naught will be 0, when in general we can write this one V naught R naught. Okay, but when we are just taking this one GMVI, okay, equals to GMVI when it is short circuited, so GMVI is nothing but simply I naught. So we can write it GM equals to I naught by VI. So this one is considered as the short circuit. Okay, sorry, short circuited transconductance gain. Okay, once again I am repeating this thing, means GMVI, when it is short circuited, for the time being it is short circuited, the current will flow from this side. So this GMVI is nothing but simply I naught. GMVI equals to I naught. So GM can be written as I naught by VI, and having what we can say unit ampere by volt, and other for the upper one it should be unitless, and in that case this Ri is also infinity, and R naught equals to also infinity, because this one become works as a open circuit and a very high resistance it will work. So R naught should be very high. Okay, so this one is the case for the transconductance amplifier. Okay, so this one, and now one more relationship. Suppose you have to find the relationship between the voltage amplifier and the other, say, transconductance amplifier. So we can say this value, relationship between AV naught and say GM, okay, function of GM. Okay, so what we have to write, this AV naught, that is our AV into VI. Okay, AV into VI, that is our more or less some voltage. Okay, so this will be nothing but simply GMVI into R naught. This voltage is our V naught, and this one is also a V naught. So this VI cancel out, so we can write it AV equals to GM R naught. Okay, so this one is the relationship for the transconductance amplifier with the transconductance amplifier gain with the voltage amplifier gain. Okay, so the transconductance amplifier gain into output resistance multiplication will be same as that of the voltage amplifier gain. Okay, so this one is the transconductance amplifier. Very simple, you have to practice it, but okay, so it is very simple, and for more detail you can go for the microelectronics book, Sedgwick Smith. Okay, so now the last one. Okay, so this one already covered. Now the next one is our trans resistance amplifier. Okay, it is also very easy. Okay. This trans resistance amplifier, suppose there is a trans resistance amplifier. Okay, so here in this one, the trans resistance amplifier, the output will be voltage and the input will be current. So say we can set trans resistance amplifier gain TRA gain is nothing but simply V naught VI. Okay, so in this case what we have to do, first again make the circuit. Okay, trans resistance gain is there. Okay, so again there should be some voltage source and there should be some resistance, and this should be V naught, R naught, Ri, and this one is some gain, transmission gain, so write it Rm and Rm into Ii. In this one Gm into Vi, so now Rm into Ii. Initially Rm into Gm into Vi, so it should be Rm into Vi, so this is Ii and Vi. So in this case, this open circuited trans resistance gain. Okay, so open circuited trans resistance gain we can write as Rm Ii is nothing but simply, this one is a voltage type of thing, it will be V naught, or in more general we can write this one is a V naught by Ii. Okay, for I naught equals to 0, open circuited I naught. Okay, so this one is the, and having the unit volt per ampere, and in that case Ri and R naught both will be 0. So this is the all about the trans resistance amplifier. Okay, this one is the circuit and the formula for Rm V naught by Vi, and suppose we have to write the relationship. I am writing one relationship with voltage amplifier and the corresponding trans conductance current amplifier and the trans resistance amplifier. So in this case also we can write the relationship between this voltage amplifier AV and as a function of Rm, trans resistance gain. Okay, so AV into Vi is nothing but simply Rm into Ii. Okay, we can write Rm into Ii, and this Vi should be Ii into Ri, Rm Ii. So this Ii should be cancelled. So this AV equals to Rm by Ri. So this one is the other relationship. Okay, this is very simple, you have to just practice it. Okay, so we have already covered the voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transconductance and trans resistance. It is slightly different from the first one, but in the transconductance we have to remember IC equals to GMVB. So GM IC by VB, IC is the output current and VB is the input. So current output by voltage input is our transconductance amplifier. So this one is the transconductance one. Okay, transconductance one amplifier, and the corresponding value for the short circuited one can be easily found by GM I naught by Vi. You just make it all the diagram, and also try to prepare microelectronics with microelectronics book, Cedar Smith. Okay, so this is all about the 4 basic amplifier types and their relationship. Okay, so thank you for watching.